That's my sister. So, so in the morning, the shuttle bus was offered before 5 a.m. midnight to 5 a.m. There's actually shuttle bus from any terminal to other terminal because the SkyTrain is not working. So we are just waiting for the bus to start and then go to terminal 2. That's my brother and my sister-in-law right over there, the red one and the black one. Good morning. Go to number 4 for check-in. We are at the boarding gate, so like my sister is like very excited. She's going to fly with us like to Indonesia. Her very first time to Indonesia. So my sister-in-law and my brother is like get herself ready as well. So I'm going to show you that what it's going to have for the meal. I pre-ordered the Indian meal, so I'm going to show you my favorite Indian meals. And my sister, I have not select the pre-order for her first. So later we're going to share with you that what she can order for the flight from Singapore to Makassar. I got the seat is right at the emergency exit, so which means that I got the spacious leg room side over here, and then like this is a seat that you only can get when you are a healthy person, you're not pregnant, and you're strong enough to open the door. So yep, for me, I'm strong enough. And then over here, you can get the seat bag, and then the safety card, the magazines, and the duty-free shoppings. So over here, I also get a blanket for my sister in case that she's cold. So this flight is like long enough, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat, and then the cabin crew will brief us on how to open the door. My sister is very surprised that the headrest is actually adjustable, and then you can push it higher and push it lower, and then for you to have a very good support like this. So she like it very much. I think it's quite cool to have a seat near to the emergency seat. Then you can have a spacious leg room, and then it can lie down like this. It's a very comfortable position. So I'm going to show you the Wi-Fi for the in-flight entertainment. To enjoy the in-flight entertainment, you have to pre-install this app called SilkAir Studio, and then you can see there's no network. So what you need to do is like turn on the Wi-Fi, and then look for the SilkAir SSID. Oh, sorry, SilkAir Studio. So when it's connected, you just open the app. Let me see. The connection. Let me try one more time. So, okay, connect to the sign up. Okay, I'm not sure why it show the limited connection, but let's try to on the SilkAir Studio app. It's loading. Very good. So let's see what I can watch. Movie. So this is 2020. You mean year 2020 and February. Let's see what we can get. Pokemon, Australia, Project X. Yeah, it's still quite not really up to date, but it's a lot of classic movie, so it's very entertaining. Yep, and then so you can also listen to music. Let's say classic Chinese pop. I have no idea who are they. Oh, so Backstreet Boy, I know them. Justin Timberlake, I know him. And then short features. Let's see. Comedy. Okay, I have no idea what is that. But anyway, if you are not happy with the movie from the app, there is a screen right on the top, right over there. You can see that it's still playing the comedian sometimes, or some like cartoon. It's still quite enjoyable. This is what I get for the Hindu meal. So there's one vada and then one curry and potato. So I also serve with the bun and butter, and then drinking water. You can order coffee or alcohol drinks. So for me, I order 1 glass of white wine. My sister has ordered the breakfast for this omelette, hash brown, sausage, tomato, and a bun. And my brother, I think they also ordered the same thing. And then here comes my white wine. So you'll give you a bottle of white wine like this. So my sister is going to order a white wine as well. So let us enjoy our breakfast. I'm having the Sauvignon Blanc. It's very easy to drink. It's very smooth. So if you have a chance to fly with SilkAir, try to order the Sauvignon Blanc. So later if I have chance, I will try to order a bottle of the red wine. And then I'll share with you the experience and the taste of the red wine. So yep, this is still my favorite of the white wine. This is the red wine. So they are serving the Cabernet Sauvignon. So let me give you a try. They are giving in a bottle and then also in a cup. Smell very fruity, very sweet. I think if you're having a beef or if you're having a sausage, red meat, it can pair very well. But I still prefer with the white wine. It's very easy to drink. After meal and then about 30 minutes later, the crew is giving the pea and crackle with the tissues. So for Singapore Airlines and SilkAir, they are concerned with those passengers with peanut allergic. So they don't offer peanut. It's a very safe flight for those allergic with peanut. And yeah, you'll get pea and crackle. I'm right inside the washroom now. So over here you can get the 2 types of the facial towels, hand wash, and then yeah, here's a space full side mirror, and then also the diaper changing table, and then also the seat protection. Yep, I'm not sure what is this. Yep, that is the washroom. This is a coronavirus period, so that when we arrive to before the immigration, you have to fill in the form for the health, like you're having cough, fever, sore throat, and then you pass the immigration. It's a little bit slow, but overall it's still fine because it's not a very busy flight. And now I'm at the arrival hall, and can you see that? So that is Yanni's father, and then Papa! Hello! Nice to see you. And then my sister over here. Hi, hello.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. So it's my very first, my sister very first time to meet the family. Hey! Ah, how are you?
How are you?
Very tired, right? After all the greeting, and then what we are going to do is that the next thing we are going to the Bira Beach. But before Bira Beach, I think we're going to have a stop right at Makassar area to have some meal, because it's about 10:40, is 11 in the morning. We're going to have some bite first, and then we'll go to Bira Beach. The arrival hall is very simple. Right over here, you can come out over there, and then you can just go right over there. There's a station for Grab, which is like I see there's a facility with the power plug, which is you can charge your devices and then wait for the Grab to come over here. And then right over there is AMW. It's one of the fast food. It's quite okay fast food. And then this is Roti Boy. Roti Boy is a very famous bread. It's very creamy and like smell like coffee. It's one of our favorite as well. So now what we're going to do is that we just have to wait for our driver to pick us up to go to lunch and then go to the Bira Beach.